key to getting a good caulking job around your sink is to make sure you cut out all of the old caulk so that you can get a nice bead with the new caulk that you install. You have to take a knife and very carefully cut out the old caulk.
And how long does it take you to caulk a sink like this?
Well, about 20-30 minutes to caulk it. It takes a lot more time to cut it out. Then you take a razor blade and you carefully scrape the excess caulk off of the edge. You have to be very careful not to scratch the sink. You use the blade at an angle so that the angle is going in towards where the caulk is in the crack.
Okay, Denise, this is pre-caulking. Look how clean it is.
So now I'm going to caulk around the sink after I've cleaned it, and I'm going to use pure white silicone because the tile grout is white, so this will match. And silicone is very difficult to work with because it doesn't clean up with water, so you have to be very careful and very precise and very slow.
Okay, so you're finished with this side.
In the back.
In the back. Wow, looks so much better. Okay, here's the after. Wow, it's so clean looking. Even cleaned out the soap dispenser or the soap holder things.
Okay, so this is the finished product. It's all caulked now. You just wait 24 hours and then you can go back to using it. It'll
Okay,
be all
so
nice
don't turn on the sink for 24 hours?
Yes.
All right, thank you, Denise. That was
You're welcome.
fast.